Hello friends, welcome back to my channel again. There is new recruitment from the Nuance company. Job position is associate SRC engineer. Job location is Pune, India. Okay, so we will check the qualification required. Education bachelor degree in computer science engineering and demonstrated IT work experience with an emphasis towards customer service, operation support and incident response of hosted high throughput mission critical systems. Experience 0 to 3 years of experience as a part of global IT operations. If you are a fresher still also you can apply. Network operations center, system administration, cloud administration, product technical support or global incident management. Shift 24 by 7 rotational shift. Then excellent written and verbal communication skills, detail oriented excellent analytical strings skills and a strong team player. Okay, then ability to work in and keep up with a fast moving environment via effective prioritization. Then demonstrated problem solving ability, superior technical aptitude. Then good understanding of SLA and KPI with experience in productivity tools like Excel for data analysis and reporting. Then yeah, all these for the incident management. Then incident management, what will be your roles and responsibilities, start to end accountability and ownership of incident responses throughout the life cycle with handoff to the problem management. High level focus areas will include bridge in initiation, incident response, SLA, bridge coordination, customer and stakeholder communication, documentation. Then creating and improving documentation relevant to the role. Required skills, ITIL V3-4 training certification would be preferred. Okay, good understanding of ITIL framework. And suppose if you have no idea about the ITIL, then please search on the Google. You will get and gain some knowledge. Try to gain some knowledge on this. That will be, suppose if they ask during the interview process, then yeah, you can give the answer appropriately. Excellent understanding of end-to-end incident lifecycle and incident management. Experience, search also this on the Google, search this line on the Google also. Experience in high severity triage, escalations and issues management. Technical experience in one or more IT related fields including networking, Windows or Linux administration. Good understanding of IT infrastructure. Okay, then track 2 operations associate level 0. What will be roles and responsibilities? They have mentioned here multiple things: create and distribute scheduled reports, execute routine checklist to validate reliability, system functionality and perform health checks. Then key point of contact and responsible for coordination. Then you should take follow up, appropriate assignment and resolution, Windows Linux vulnerability management, update and upgrades. Okay, so all these things, what the skills they are requiring from you, as exposure to NOC monitoring tools. Search about these tools on the Google. Okay, Zabbix, Grafana, Sumo, all these tools they have mentioned. Then Jira tool, Remedy, then Salesforce, NOC ticketing tools. Okay, search on these as well. Good Linux server or Windows server, search on these as well. Then preferred skills, ITIL V3 V4 Foundation, Six Sigma, Lean Agile training certification. So all these things they have mentioned in their job description. So fresher candidate can also apply. So by looking at the job description, I would say that this is a non-technical job. This is not a technical. Okay, so if you are interested, then please apply for this position. To apply for this, please click here. Okay, then apply manually. You can autofill resume or you use my last application if you have already created account there. Okay, so sign in, before sign in create new account, then do sign in and apply for this position. And yeah, thanks for watching this video.